Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most welcome. My name is Jenna Tungo. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, okay? So this is the hair that we are going to use. It is by Sisters and it is in color number 1. And I only use one packet of this hair, okay? And the hair comes in 2 bundles. So there are 2 bundles in one packet, 2 braided jumbo braids. And the hair retails for 330 Kenya shillings, just in case you want to get yourself one. So I'll just go ahead and unbraid this hair. And then once I'm done, I'll just take my pair of scissors and cut the hair into 2 sections, exactly as you can see in the video. Okay guys, so at this particular point, it all depends with you. You know, like how long or short you want your hair to be. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'll just go ahead and fold the hair like so. And then I'll go in again with a pair of scissors and cut this hair. Okay, so here it really depends with what you're going for, like how long you want your hair to be or how short you want it to be. So once I'm done with cutting this hair, I'll just go and start feathering the ends of this hair because I don't want some blunt ends. So I'll just feather the hair exactly as you can see in the video. And once I'm done with feathering the ends of this hair, I'll just go ahead and just comb my hair, okay, just to smoothen it and all that. And when combing your hair, just make sure you hold it tight because you don't want to lose so much hair. Okay, so I went ahead and wrap a piece of yarn around my plastic chair, like so. I will go in with some medium amount of braiding hair. Okay, so after I have placed it onto the yarn, like so, I'll just go ahead and take again 1 strand of this yarn, and then I'll just secure it at the very top, you know, just like you can see me doing there. Okay, just go ahead and securing it and making sure that it doesn't slip onto my fingers. Once I'm done with securing this hair, I'll just go straight ahead and take this yarn and wrap it onto my braiding hair. Okay, you will see me doing that. I'll start wrapping the braiding hair. And again guys, just make sure you leave some space in between, and also don't tighten it too much because it will be hard for you when you'll be pulling the hair. Okay, you will see me doing that. So you of course leave some space, and again just make it a little bit loose, okay? Don't tighten it too much. And guys, as you watch this video, please consider subscribing, like, comment and share, okay? So yeah. So here I am continuing, you know, wrapping the hair around the yarn. I don't know why I keep on saying wool, around the yarn. Okay, you want to wrap till the very end of this hair. And then once I'm done guys, I'll take this yarn and I will start pulling the hair towards the front section. So you pull it like so, and like now you can see how the curls are forming. So that's why I told you before that I don't need to tighten your hair because it will be, you know, hard for you to like get the curls. And once I'm done, I'll just go in again and take this yarn and just secure it like so. And this is what you should be having, okay? So once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and leave this hair, or rather soak them in hot water for about 2 minutes. Okay, that is hot water mixed with conditioner. So guys, here I am. I left this hair to dry for 4 days. Okay, so what I noticed is that following day when I went to check the hair, it was not like fully dry, okay? So you can leave them for even a week or 2, even a month is also okay. And guys, this hair is very, very soft, and that is the importance of dipping your hair in hot water, of course mixed with the conditioner. So here I am just splitting this hair, and then yeah guys, that was all what I did for this hair to, you know, that is how I got my curls, and I'm loving how these curls came out. So yeah. And here is my braiding pattern. So I just went ahead and sectioned my hair from ear to ear. Then I did 12 cornrows at the front section of my hair, and this is how my back is looking like. So, you know, it is some simple braiding pattern that anyone can do, really. So here I am crocheting the hair, and of course to crochet this hair you'll be needing your crochet needle, of course. Okay, so really guys, installing this hair was super easy and quick. And here I am to remind you to subscribe. Okay, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you are watching this video, please consider subscribing. Okay, it is, I don't know, 1 second and you are just done with subscribing. Okay, and also don't forget to share this video. And again, if you have any questions or, you know, just any thoughts of how you feel about this hair, please comment in the comment section down below. And like I said before, again, if you have any question regarding this hair or any other question, please leave them in the comment section down below. Okay, after passing my crochet hook through my cornrows, I'll go straight ahead and attach my crochet hair, and then once I've pulled it out, I'll just secure it twice. So guys, you have to make sure that you knot your hair twice for it to be secured enough. Okay, because this hair, again, it is silky, and you don't want to, you know, your hair to be falling out when you know, like you are done doing your hair. So make sure that you secure it very well. So again, be sure to stick around and see how I did the invisible method, because again, you want this hair to look as natural as possible. Okay, so I'll be doing the invisible method. So yeah, be sure to stick around and see exactly how I did it. And yeah guys, so here I am. I'll just go ahead and pull my hair out like so. So the difference here is, you know, I will only take one strand of braiding hair like so, and then I'm going again to secure it twice. So once I'm done with that, I'll just flip it like so, because like I said, you want this hair to look natural. Okay, so literally that is what I did at this particular point. And with me, I love side parts, so I love wearing my hair in side parts, so that is why I'm going again for a side part. But it depends with what you want, it depends with what you're going for. So yeah. And this is how the hair is looking like. So once I'm done with doing the invisible method, so I'll just go straight ahead and start filling my hair, you know, filling in the spaces that I have. And yeah guys, this will be it. Like, this is how I install this hair. As you can see, it is very simple. And very beginner friendly as well. And also it doesn't take you so much time to, you know, crochet your hair. So really guys, it is as simple as you can see, and anyone can do this hairstyle literally. So here I am continuing with you know, filling in the spaces that I left, and this is how I install this hair. As you all can see, it is very easy, and it doesn't look like braiding hair. I'm telling you, this hair, yani, it is giving what it is supposed to give. I really love how the curls, you know, turn out. And yeah. So once I'm done, I'll just go straight ahead and I use my mousse just to, you know, make sure you know, it will take care of all the flyaways. Okay, and it will, you know, help in defining your curls. And once that is done, I'll just go in and using my braiding hairspray and spray my hair. Okay, so here I am just laying my edges. Okay, and then once I'm done with the you know, making sure that my edges look neat and all that, I'll just go in with my scarf and just, you know, wrap it around where I of course laid my edges. So I am done, and I'll just go ahead and just trim off the excess hair. And yeah guys, this was it for this video. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next. So bye for now and take care.